He walked through mountain villages and dusty plains not as a warrior or a politician, but as a listener. From farmers to shepherds, grandmothers by hearths to poets in taverns, he collected more than words. He gathered a soul. Before internet, before TikTok wisdom, before we called it stoicism, he lived it. And yet, almost no one outside Serbia knows his name. He traveled from Vojvodina to Kosovo, from the Drina to the Danube, not looking for fame, but for something much harder to hold, the wisdom of a people, of an ancient, stubborn, soulful people. He wrote it all down, one proverb at a time. His name was Vuk Stefanović Karadžić, a linguist, a reformer, but most of all, a listener. In the early 1800s, Vuk set out on a journey not to write his own ideas, but to preserve the voice of others. He sat with elders under plum trees, listened at weddings, funerals, and firesides. He believed, if you want to know a people, listen to their sayings. Here are just a few. Čist obraz najbolja preporuka. A clean conscience is the best recommendation. Ko rano rani dve sreće grabi. He who rises early grabs two fortunes. Stripljen, spašen. Patient, saved. Bolje ikad nego nikad. Better late than never. These are not just sayings, they are battle scars, lullabies, warnings, and winks from history. Today we call it stoicism, living with dignity in hardship, finding strength in silence, laughing in the face of fate. Vuk didn't invent these ideas, he preserved them, so that one day you, watching this from Toronto, Sydney, Chicago, or London, could remember where you come from. The Serbian Stoic, not in theory, but in spirit. A nation lives as long as its language lives. Vuk Stefanović. In 1849, in Vienna, at an Armenian monastery, Vuk Karadžić published a 500-page book of Serbian folk proverbs. He spent years traveling, meeting common people, noble men, knights, and wrote down these proverbs. For the first time, there is an English translation.